Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. We are doing pastry today. We are baking pastry. That's the warm milk, banana, yeast, sugar. So we are going to whisk it together, and this is vegetable oil, a bit of it. Then we had a plain flour, yes. Before we had our salt. So we are going to mix them all together to make our dough. Our dough is ready, so we are going to put it aside to rise for some minutes. Yes, please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Yes, a subscription, your comments keep me going. And also you can check my videos, my previous videos on different type of meals that I cook. Yes, you can also share your ideas on my comments. Yes, and you can also learn from my page. Yes, no knowledge is wasted. You can always learn from each other. Yes, you can always learn from each other. And once again, guys, happy new year. It shall be a fruitful year for us all. Yes, everything that we set our minds to achieve, we achieve it this year. I pray. Yes, so let's continue. So I'm rolling our dough. Yes, I'm rolling it, and I'm going to add raisin, yes, to it. Then I will wrap it up and cut it and put it in the oven. And that's all. Yes, so simple. If you are looking for a simple snacks, a simple pastries just for you to have at home to snack on, you can try this. Yes, you can be creative and do whatever you want to do. Yeah, you just have to be creative and put your mind to it. You can achieve anything if you set your mind to it. Yes. Yes, guys, please comment on my page once again. Like, your comments, your subscriptions keep me going. Yes, keep me going. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned and watch to the end of the video. Bye.